Start configuring a connected installation. You have already installed the connected gateway power outlet in the starter pack for connected installation. You have also installed wired products, connected light switches, connected lighting micromodules, connected roller shutter switches, connected power outlets. Now we'll show you how to start configuring these products so they work together. This step will then allow you to control the installation by means of the Home Plus Control app and the router. At least one dimmable lamp should be installed on the lighting circuit controlled by the connected light switch. Turn the power back on. The gateway power outlet LED lights up red. The LEDs on the installed wired products light up red. Now prepare the HomeAway wireless master switch. Remove the protection tab from the battery. Briefly press the master switch to activate it. Its LED flashes green, then goes off. Move close to the connected gateway power outlet and press the middle of the master switch. Hold down until the master switch LED lights up green. Release. The master switch LED goes off. The connected gateway power outlet LED changes to a steady green light. The LEDs on the connected wired products change from red to green one after another. Wait until they have all lit up green. They are now paired. If this does not happen, repeat the operation. End configuration by briefly pressing once in the middle of the master switch. The LED briefly flashes 3 times and then goes off. The LEDs on the wired products go off. Wait for about a minute, then check that they are working properly. Switch on the lights, then press the Away button on the wireless master switch. The lights connected to the wired products go off. If this does not happen, repeat configuration. Place the stickers provided on the back of the HomeAway wireless master switch. Fit the faceplate provided. You can complete the installation by adding wireless switches to control the lights, roller shutters, electrical appliances. To add these switches, please refer to the other available tutorials. You can then name the room's lights and lamps and configure scenarios after downloading and installing the Home Plus Control app. All products are available in Velena Life and Velena Allure finishes.